Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee and we're giving you an update on the China Harbor Engineering Company development. Now the name of this development is Roaring River Mammee Bay Estate, and it's sitting down on the development is going to be 160 acres of prime real estate in Jamaica. Now, real estate agents said once these units went on the market, they would be sold out within days. Well, guess what, guys? The development phase 1 is sold out. Sold out completely. Now, the entire development is going to be on 160 acres. I'm not sure how many acres phase 1 is on. And it's going to have 69 deluxe and standard 3-bedroom units, 200 1 and 2 bedroom units, and the development will have 4 multi-story blocks, and it can accommodate up to 4,000 people. Now, you might ask, wow, CHEC was lucky to buy this piece of land. But guess what? They didn't buy the land. The land was given to them by the government. So when Highway 2000 was being built, Highway 2000 north-south leg from Kingston to Ocho, it was a French company that was doing it. But they weren't able to finish and the project stalled. And so the government went to China Harbor Engineering Company to finish, because China Harbor Engineering Company is one of the largest contractors in the world. And China Harbor Engineering Company said, okay, we'll finish the highway, but we're going to need 1,200 acres of land beside the highway. And that piece of land by Mammee Bay that you're looking at now, we want that to be a part of the 1,200 acres. So the government said yes. At the time, Mammee Bay wasn't as developed. There was no mega developments taking place like what you see in Draxhall, or I'm not sure if Richmond was built back then, I don't remember. So the government said, we'll give you the land, but you cannot sell it, you have to develop it. China Harbor Engineering Company said, okay. So now China Harbor Engineering Company is putting up these residential units. And I must say, they are moving at lightning speed. The last time we were here, the structures were not even in place. And look at that now. Looks like some of them are close to being completed. But this definitely is a good spot. And I would recommend anybody who can to invest in it. Now, not only is Highway 2000, the Highway 2000 ends at Mammee Bay currently, but you have the Northern Coastal Highway that goes from Negril to Montego Bay, through Trelawney, through Ocho Rios, into Port Antonio. At the intersection of where the Highway 2000 from Kingston to Mammee Bay merges with the Northern Coastal Highway, that is literally where you have this development. And the government announced they're going to be building an interchange where the Mammee Bay roundabout is. So it's going to be even easier to get to this development. And also the government announced that they are expanding Highway 2000 north-south leg. That's the highway that ends from Kingston to Mammee Bay. They are extending it from Mammee Bay to Trelawney. And the government also announced that they are going to be expanding the Northern Coastal Highway, that's the one from Negril to Port Antonio, to 4 lanes between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, which means you can get from the Sangston International Airport to this Mammee Bay development in no time, because it's going to be a 4-lane highway. And you can get from Kingston to Mammee Bay in about 45 minutes on the highway. So this land is prime real estate. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We'll give you an update on this development every 2 weeks. Alright guys, have a good day.